In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a clipboard at the top of it. Now, to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now it's time to use it. Copy or cut any text to try it out. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, you need to click on Clipboard again. If you only see suggested words and emojis, you need to tap on this icon at the top left corner and then access your clipboard here. Now, tap on your text in order to paste it, and if you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Now, to delete it, you can either swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and tap on pin button in the pop-up. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!